Day 3. Bed and breakfast. Let's see what happens, y'all. Bed and breakfast is actually pretty nice. They got the wine. Oh yeah, this is fire. Let's call the number. Community's been pretty impressed. They told me to come here and talk. A couple people told me to come here and talk to you. I don't know if you know any of the neighbors, but Mr. Martinez.
I do not know that name.
He's from California. He lives like right around the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, he told me he was a big fan of you guys. He told me to come through and just let you know that he enjoyed the product as well. Miss Robbie, a lot of people, and it's just an all-purpose concentrate. You can use it for many uses: windows, hallway flooring, tile and grout, kitchens, bathrooms, ovens, laundry, hand soap, the works. Yeah. Today I've been showing neighbors how it works on stains such as Sharpies. Okay. Show you one cool. The cleaner right here is I'm using the diluted form. Okay. It's safe on the skin, safe on colored clothing, no bleaches, no phosphates, no ammonias. And it works on pretty much anything you can think of. Check it out right here. Now, I don't know what you guys currently use.
I mean, it's a mix of, different.
Oh, mix of different. So yeah.
It's not a specific company. It's mainly just, just like Fabuloso and Windex and Clorox. And, standard, I would say.
Yeah, I understand. So this.
We have a separate housekeeping staff. So.
Ink, dye, fruit juice, pet stains, grass stains, mold, mildew, Hershey squirts in the kids' underwear. I've been drinking it for 50 years, Mom. I'm 67, so it keeps you looking young. Not only does it work on the surface, but it also cleans all the way through. Great for stains, but you can also take it and use it for like the windows, patio furniture, wood, even the driveway to get a pressure wash. You can mix it with the pressure washer. Pretty much, you know what I'm saying, get all around cleaner. That way you can simplify and not have to buy like 20 different products.
Yeah, that's what I feel like. It's like a mix of different things that I buy all the time.
Yes, ma'am. Organic and eco-friendly, so it's just a great opportunity for young adults to get a chance to learn good skills like customer service, sales, marketing. Even if they don't stick with us long term, the foundation of having those skill set can take them far. Yes, ma'am. All right, Mom. I appreciate your time. Appreciate you for coming out here listening to me talk. Yeah, definitely. It's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure meeting you too. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you as well. SoapGawdsTV, we back, baby, for another one. Got Shelby here. We out here. Feel me? We're gonna be jumping on that today.
That's where we headed. Maybe the ship, but definitely to the helicopter. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. She ain't never been on no helicopter here. She said she ain't never been on a helicopter, so first time going on a helicopter, we about to do that. You scared?
No.
You ain't scared?
No.
Then why you say you ain't afraid of heights?
I've been on a few planes before, so I'm not worried about it.
But just never a helicopter.
Right.
All right, so yeah.
Do we get
going on a helicopter today. Take a little ride. Already. Let's get it. SoapGawdsTV, man. Ah, look how beautiful that is. Yes. So peaceful. Turn up. Let's get it.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'm just because of
She already a little bit afraid,
I'm
man.
not afraid.
Make her.
Never bad idea to ask
Okay, I
questions.
see it now. From over there, it looked like it was a dent in there. I ain't know how that got there. I was gonna ask some questions. Like, can I see the Carfax? Do helicopters have Carfax?
I got 2 tickets for you, man.
Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about. So how does this work? Is it like the Myrtle Beach one? I've been on a helicopter in Myrtle Beach.
Like, so yeah, you guys are doing the waterfront tour.
Okay.
You'll take off from here, fly out over the harbor. You'll fly over the inner harbor. You'll see Castle Pinckney and Old Fort out in the harbor, and then you'll turn right, kind of fly in front of the east side of Charleston.
Okay.
Back here.
All right, man. Yeah. I'm ready for it. That's what's up. All right, Charles. We about to board.
Yeah, come on out here.
We about to board. Let's get it.
And I'm the brave when I'm sitting in the front
She's
seat.
sitting in the front seat.
I don't like how the plane is taking. I feel like I'm too tall. What if it try to like?
Yep.
It's like.
Oh, hold on. Yeah. My door okay?
Right, don't touch it.
Pleasure to meet you, man. Oh, we're local, man. Somerville. Yes, sir.
Yeah, like the little hoovering part where we had to shake a little bit before we went all the way up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you ain't like that?
Because it felt weird. Then I was nervous stepping on the thing. Like, I was like, what if I'm too tall? What if I stand up and my head get chopped off? Like,
Yeah, you gotta get used to that.
yeah, that's definitely a lifestyle right there.
Yeah, but it gotta be a good investment to have a helicopter though.
Yeah.
You see, they having fun with it. Yeah, man, we have fun. The turns is crazy.
Yeah, that's
I mean, just a little.
different. Definitely something different. But it was cool to see downtown Charleston where we took the ghost tour. And able to see
You could have seen all of that from the top.
a bird's eye.
It was crazy. Y'all know, just a little something positive to do before you go get the money. Before you go to work, you know what I'm saying? Clear your mind. But now it just make you want to definitely take more helicopter trips for real, for real.